In this video, we're going to talk about how you can do the optional alternative credit assignments. If you're in Psych 101 or Psych 200, then there are 3 ways you can complete your research credit requirement. The most common way, which we discussed in a previous video, is to volunteer to serve as a participant in an ongoing research study in the Department of Psychology. But an alternative option is to write a one-page paper about a published research project. With this option, for each written paper you submit, you'll earn 1 research credit. And in fact, a third option is that you can do some combination of research participation and the alternative written research summary papers. Here's how you can do these research summary papers. First, you need to know what the finished product should look like. Your research summary paper must include 2 main sections in the following order, bundled into a single Microsoft Word document. The first main section will be your typed research summary. In one single line at the top, you should indicate your name, CSU ID number, the date, and the relevant course number and section number toward which you want to apply your research credit. Then your research summary should be 1 page or longer, double-spaced with 1-inch margins and 12-point font. The second main section will be 1 page containing a digital image, such as a screenshot, of the front page of the article that you selected. If you're submitting more than 1 research summary, then you'll have more than 1 Microsoft Word document. For example, you'll have 1 document containing the summary and screenshot of Article A, and another document containing the summary and screenshot of Article B, and so on. Okay, now that you know what the finished product should look like, you need to know what the content should be. One thing to keep in mind is that you must write a summary of an empirical research article published in the peer-reviewed journal called Psychological Science. These are brief, high-quality articles that report empirical research. You can look up articles in Psychological Science in the PsycInfo database, which is available when you log into the University Library website. To do that, navigate to the CSU Library website and click the Research Databases link. The databases are organized in alphabetical order, so navigate to the P section and click the link to PsycInfo. You may need to log in using your personal identification number for off-campus access, but it just takes a minute to get your number and use it. Once you log in, type Psychological Science in the search bar, and in the drop-down menu next to it, select SO Publication Name, and then click Search. Now, you'll need to limit those results to just that single journal by scrolling down on the Refine Results menu, clicking Publications, and then selecting Psychological Science. Now, under Refine Results, limit this search to linked full text. Once you've refined the search, you can select one of those articles for your summary. To choose an article, click on the title to access the article information page. Then select Full Text Finder from the left panel and select one of the full text options listed. We recommend you select the OhioLink option. On that OhioLink source page, you can then click the link to view or download a PDF of the article. And now you're ready to read the full text of this peer-reviewed academic research report. After you select your article and read it carefully, your summary of it should explain all the important parts. You should explain what topic was investigated by the authors, what methods were used to explore the various topics of interest, such as whether they were experiments, qualitative techniques, or correlational survey techniques. And of course, explain the conclusions. What were the data patterns and what did the authors think they meant? Lastly, make sure that you summarize the article, not plagiarize from it. Read it carefully, understand it, and write about it in your own words. Research summaries are due on the last day of classes and will be accepted anytime up until that deadline. To submit your summary, attach the Microsoft Word document to an email and send it directly to us at scirps@csuohio.edu. And that's how you complete the optional alternative credit research summary assignments.